In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up intermittent fasting on MyFitnessPal. This process is straightforward and will help you manage your eating patterns effectively. Let's dive right in. First, open the MyFitnessPal app on your device. You will see the home screen, which displays your daily calorie goals and other fitness metrics. This is the central hub for tracking your nutrition and exercise. If you have not installed the app yet, you can find it in your device's app store. Once the app is open, you are ready to proceed. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for everything you will do next. Next up, tap the More menu button, which is represented by three dots located in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. When you do this, a menu will slide up, revealing various options available within the app. This menu is where you can access different features and settings, including your profile, goals, and premium options. Finding the More menu is essential because it acts as a gateway to the next steps in setting up intermittent fasting. From there, select intermittent fasting from the list of options that appear. You should see a prompt that encourages you to click Get Started. Once you tap this, the app will guide you through the setup process specifically tailored for intermittent fasting. This feature is important because it allows you to customize your fasting experience according to your lifestyle. By following these prompts, you ensure that you are setting your fasting schedule correctly. Now, choose your preferred fasting pattern based on your lifestyle goals. MyFitnessPal offers several options, including the 12-12, 14-10, and 16-8 patterns. For instance, the 12-12 pattern involves a 12-hour fast followed by a 12-hour eating window, making it ideal for beginners as it syncs well with natural circadian rhythms. Alternatively, the 14-10 pattern features a 14-hour fast and a 10-hour eating window, encouraging regular meals and reducing nighttime snacking. Most commonly, users opt for the 16-8 pattern, which consists of a 16-hour fast and an 8-hour eating window. This often includes skipping breakfast or having an early dinner. Making this choice is vital because it aligns with your personal goals and habits, increasing the chances of sticking to your plan. After you have selected your preferred fasting pattern, click Continue. You will then need to follow the remaining on-screen prompts. These prompts will guide you through the process of saving your target schedule. Additionally, you can set up the tracker progress bars that will display directly inside your daily diary feed. This feature is beneficial as it allows you to monitor your progress easily. You will be able to see how well you are adhering to your fasting schedule, which can serve as motivation. Once you complete these steps, you will have successfully set up intermittent fasting on MyFitnessPal. The app will now help you track your fasting and eating periods, making it easier to reach your health goals. This setup not only streamlines your tracking but also provides insights into your eating habits. You can now focus on your nutrition and fitness journey with a structured approach. Following through this process ensures that you have a clear plan in place to support your intermittent fasting journey. Remember, consistency is key, and you are now well equipped to succeed.